Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, GKSSP, UGC NET, police, railway and in the state level exams. And here you can see some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter, chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in bank PO clerk, SSC, GKSSP, UGC NET, police, railway and other state level exams. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus. और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो रिवाइज करे ईच चैप्टर ईच पार्ट एट लीस्ट ट्वाइस एंड दे कैन आल्सो प्रैक्टिस MCQs PYQs एज वेल बिफोर देयर एग्जामिनेशन. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड फॉर PDF यू कैन ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. अदरवाइज अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो तो आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. एंड अनटिल हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किए हैं 12 चैप्टर्स ऑफ दिस सीरीज विद सम इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ PYQs. अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल देयर, आप जाके उन वीडियोस को ऑल्सो देख सकते हैं. एंड फ्रॉम टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू बिगिन चैप्टर 13 इंटरनेट एंड इट्स सर्विसेज पार्ट 1. एंड टॉपिक जो कि आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं दैट ऑन इंटरनेट एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंटरनेट. देन लेट्स बिगिन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस ब्रीफली डिस्कस अबाउट इंटरनेट. जो इंटरनेट है इट इज़ अ जॉइंट वेब और ग्लोबल नेटवर्क जो कि कनेक्ट करता है मिलियंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स एंड डिवाइसेस को ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. और ये जो कंप्यूटर्स और ये जो डिवाइसेस हैं दीज डिवाइसेस टॉक्स टू ईच अदर, दे शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन बिकॉज दे ऑल फॉलो द सेम सेट ऑफ रूल्स दैट वी नोन एज प्रोटोकॉल्स. सो जब भी हम सेंड करते हैं कोई भी मैसेज या जब भी हम वीडियो वॉच करते हैं या जब भी हम ओपन करते हैं कोई भी वेबसाइट, जो हमारा कंप्यूटर है that connects to the other computers or servers जो कि exchange करते हैं data in between by using these common rules or protocols. In short we can say that कि जो internet है it is a worldwide system जो कि link करता है two computers को together so that they can share information with each other. Like जो internet है it allow people to access information like websites, articles, videos, communicate through emails, messaging, video calls, share content like photos, documents, social media posts, use services like online banking, shopping, education and entertainment. So think of it like it is a massive web और network जो कि connect करते हैं millions of computers, phones and servers को across the globe so that ये जो devices हैं these devices can exchange data instantly like messages, files, videos और websites जो कि act करता है as a backbone of modern digital world which makes things like online shopping, banking, learning, entertainment and communication possible. Let me also tell you that कि जो इंटरनेट है it basically begins in the late 1960 जिसको basically start किया गया as a US military research project called ARPANET which stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. और इसका जो गोल था दैट वाज टू कनेक्ट कंप्यूटर्स एट डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ एंड रिसर्च सेंटर्स सो दैट दे कैन शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन विथ ईच अदर. एंड आवर टाइम जो ARPANET है इट grows due to the invention of more networks and by the 1980s to 1990s it became what we known as the internet. So in the late 1960s जो ARPANET है it became the first working version of the internet and in 1970 जो Winton Srifoth जो Robert Khan है they created TCP/IP that is Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. और ये जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं these protocols acts like universal languages जो कि allow करते हैं different networks को to communicate with each other. and ये जो breakthrough है this breakthrough has completely transformed ARPANET into the internet that we also called as network of networks. That's why जो Winton Srifoth जो रॉबर्ट खान हैं they are known as the fathers of the internet. I hope यहाँ तक आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा. Now let's discuss about the history of internet. Let's try to connect the dots. जो history है इंटरनेट की it basically begins with its pre-foundation period जो कि टाइम पीरियड हमें देखने को मिलता है between 1950s to 1960s. फर्स्ट इन द ईयर 1957 जो सोवियत यूनियन है और प्रेजेंट डे यूएस रशिया that had launched the Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, which had basically shocked the United States, which further leads to more advancements in science and technology. And in 1958, as a response to Sputnik launch, जो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स है that had created Advanced Research Projects Agency ARPA under the Department of Defense, which further leads to the innovative research in computing and communication. And in the early 1960s, scientists like GCR Licklider of MIT, he introduced the idea of galactic or global network, which is basically the universal interconnected set of computers जहाँ individuals जो हैं they could quickly access data and programs from anywhere. और इसका जो vision था that had strongly influenced the future internet pioneers. सेकेंड उसके बाद बिगिन होता है पीरियड ऑफ द बर्थ ऑफ ARPANET जो कि स्टार्ट होता है इन द ईयर 1969. पहले इन 1960s रिसर्चर्स जो है लाइक पॉल ब्राउन फ्रॉम यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड डोनाल्ड डेविस फ्रॉम UK they independently developed the concept of packet switching, which means here instead of sending data as one big block like a telephone call, यहाँ जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसको पहले ब्रेक किया जाता है इनटू स्मॉल पैकेट्स और ईच पैकेट जो है देन इट ट्रैवल सेपरेटली अक्रॉस द नेटवर्क और रूट्स विच रिजेंबल्स एट द डेस्टिनेशन. देन उसके बाद इन द ईयर 1969 ARPA दैट इज एडवांस्ड रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट्स एजेंसी इट हैड क्रिएटेड ARPANET द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट पैकेट स्विचिंग नेटवर्क. एंड अनलाइक ट्रेडिशनल telephone system which requires continuous line, while जो packet switching है it allows data to be broken into small packets and that further sends data independently and resembles at the destination. Then उसके बाद on October 29, 1969 जो first message है on ARPANET उसको भेजा गया that was sent between the UCLA that is University of California Los Angeles and Stanford रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट. और जो मैसेज जो कि सेंड की दैट वाज बेसिकली द वर्ड लॉगिन, बट जो सिस्टम है इट क्रैशेस आफ्टर ऑन दी 2 लेटर्स. सो जो फर्स्ट इंटरनेट मैसेज थी जिसको भेजा गया दैट वाज जस्ट 2 लेटर्स L and O. इवन दो ये जो मैसेज थी ये फेल हुई एट इट्स midway, but it became the historic breakthrough which proved that कि जो long distance computer communication है it can be possible by using packet switching. Then उसके बाद third begin होता है period of expanding the network and it starts during the year 1970s. इस समय कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर रे टॉमलिंसन he created the first email system on ARPANET और उसने also introduce किया use of the @ symbol to separate the user's name from the computer's host name like gmail.com. और ये जो email है it quickly became the most popular application on the ARPANET and which also shows the power of digital communication. Then उसके बाद in 1973 जो ARPANET है it had made its first overseas connection between the University College London and Norwegian seismic array which marked the beginning of the internet as a global network rather than just a US project. एंड जैसे कि आप जानते हैं इन 1974 जो विंदान सिर्फ और जो रॉबर्ट खान है दे इंट्रोड्यूस्ड द डिज़ाइन फॉर TCP/IP दैट इज ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल एंड इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल. एंड ये जो प्रोटोकॉल है इट अल्टीमेटली बिकम्स द यूनिवर्सल सेट ऑफ रूल्स जो कि अलो करते हैं डिफरेंट नेटवर्क्स को टू कम्युनिकेट सीमलेसली. और ये जो कंसेप्ट है इंटर नेटवर्किंग का इट बेसिकली गिव्स द राइज टू द वर्ड इंटरनेट. दैन उसके बाद 4 बिगिन होता है पीरियड ऑफ मॉडर्न इंटरनेट जो कि स्टार्ट होता है ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 1980s. ऑन जनवरी 1 1983 जो ARPANET है इट ऑफिशियली मूव्स फ्रॉम इट्स ओल्ड नेटवर्किंग सिस्टम दैट इज NCP टूवर्ड्स TCP एंड IP. एंड ये जो मूवमेंट है दिस मूवमेंट इज ऑफन कॉल्ड एज ऑफिशियल बर्थ ऑफ द इंटरनेट बिकॉज जो TCP और जो IP है, it made it possible for different networks to connect and to communicate as a one global system. And in the year 1984 जो डोमेन नेम सिस्टम DNS है उसको also इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया to replace the difficult IP addresses with human friendly names like www.example.com. And ये जो सिस्टम है, this system has also introduced the familiar top level domains like .com, .org, .net, etc., which makes internet navigation more practical and user friendly. देन उसके बाद इन द ईयर 1986 नेशनल साइंस फाउंडेशन नेटवर्क जो है उसको क्रिएट किया गया इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, विच बेसिकली कनेक्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटीज़ एंड रिसर्च सेंटर्स अक्रॉस द कंट्री. एंड ये जो इन्वेंशन है, दिस इन्वेंशन फर्दर एक्सपेंडेड द इंटरनेट एक्सेस बियॉन्ड ARPANET's limited research and military use, and it had also greatly increased the internet speed and capacity, and it also helps internet to spread more widely. Then fifth उसके बाद begin होता है period of world wide web, and it starts during the year 1990s. Like between the year 1989 to 1991 जो टिम बर्नर्स-ली है, जो कि एक ब्रिटिश साइंटिस्ट था एट यूरोपियन रिसर्च सेंटर इन स्विट्ज़रलैंड, उसने इन्वेंट किया वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब को. Along with that, he also created three key technologies, including HTML, that is hypertext markup language, जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है to create web pages. Then HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol, जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है for transferring web pages across the internet. And also the first web browser editor, जो कि allow करता है users को to view and to create web pages. दैन उसके बाद इन द ईयर 1993 जो मोज़ेक वेब ब्राउज़र है उसको डेवलप किया बाय मार्क एंडरसन and his team at University of Illinois, and it became the first graphical web browser, which also shows the texts and images together on the page, and which also made web more easy, visual and user friendly, and ultimately which also makes internet more popular across the world. Then उसके बाद during mid 1990s जो internet है, it had moved from research academic tool towards a public and commercial platform, और बहुत सारी companies और जो services हैं that emerged, such as AOL, American Online, which popularized email. Along with that, chat rooms and dial-up internet access. Similarly, Yahoo, which is one of the world's first web directories and search engine. Similarly, Amazon, जिसको launch किया गया as an online bookstore, which soon expanded into the e-commerce. Then उसके बाद सिक्स बिगिन होता है पीरियड ऑफ द ब्रॉडबैंड एंड मोबाइल ग्रोथ, और ये जो पीरियड है, दिस पीरियड स्टार्ट्स ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 2000. ड्यूरिंग अर्ली 20s जो ब्रॉडबैंड है, इट हैड रिप्लेस्ड डायल अप्स, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ जो इंटरनेट है, इट बिकम्स फास्टर एंड ऑलवेज ऑन with new broadband services like DSL, cable, fiber, etc. And this also allowed music, video and large files to be shared much more easily compared to slow dial-ups. And by the end of the 2000 जो internet है, it became fast, interactive, social and mobile, which sets the stage for various social media platforms like Facebook in 2004, YouTube in 2005, Twitter in 2006. Together ये जो platforms है, these platforms has transformed communication by making it instant, global and participatory. Then lastly begin होता है period of today's internet, and this is basically the time period between the 2010 to 2020. Like with the rise of smartphones like iPhones and Androids, जो people हैं, they easily carry the internet in their pockets. और applications जो है like WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, etc. These applications made it easy to chat, share photos, watch videos, shop and work online. Similarly, जो cloud computing, IoT, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence (AI), these tools also became major technologies which together powers today's most smart world. जहाँ IoT जो है, it collects data, cloud जो है, it handles data, and AI जो है, it makes decisions on the data. सो विद द स्प्रेड ऑफ इंटरनेट बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं दे गेनड एक्सेस टू द इंफॉर्मेशन एजुकेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन बट एट द सेम टाइम दिस आल्सो कॉजेस द डिजिटल डिवाइड विच मीन्स each individual जो है they cannot has same or equal access to the internet because कई areas जो है like cities they have the fast internet and technology while other areas जो है like rural or poor regions they still struggles with slow or no access. ठीक है, आई होप ये भी आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा. एडिशनली there are also some key contributors who had significantly contributed towards the history of the internet. These include JCR Licklider. इन अर्ली 1960s उसने इमेजिन किया आइडिया ऑफ गैलेक्टिक और ग्लोबल नेटवर्क जहाँ कंप्यूटर्स जो हैं फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड दे कनेक्ट दे शेयर्स इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ड्यू टू विच ही इज़ ऑफन नोन एज द फादर ऑफ द इंटरनेट विजन. नेक्स्ट इज़ लिनियर्ड केलिनरॉक. उसने डेवलप की थ्योरी ऑफ पैकेट स्टिंग इन द 1960s विच इज़ बेसिकली द मेथड दैट यू नो जहाँ डेटा जो है इसको ब्रेक किया जाता है इनटू स्मॉल पैकेट्स एंड दैट वाज फर्दर सेंट अक्रॉस डिफरेंट नेटवर्क्स. नेक्स्ट आर पॉल ब्राउन फ्रॉम यूएस एंड डोनाल्ड डेविस फ्रॉम यूनाइटेड किंगडम. एमंग विच जो पॉल ब्राउन है फ्रॉम यूएस उसने डेवलप किया डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड नेटवर्क डिज़ाइन बाय यूजिंग पैकेट स्विचिंग एंड डोनाल्ड डेविस जो है ही इंडिपेंडेंटली डेवलप्ड द पैकेट स्विचिंग कंसेप्ट एंड ही आल्सो कॉइन्ड द टर्म पैकेट. और जैसे कि आप जानते हैं विंटॉन सिर्फ और जो रॉबर्ट खान हैं दे टुगेदर इन्वेंटेड TCP IP protocol due to which they are known as the fathers of internet. And Reed Tomlinson जो है he invented the email which became the first he became the first person to send an email between the two computers. And Tim Berners-Lee जो है उसने इन्वेंट किया वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब को and he also created three foundational tools HTML, HTTP and first web browser or server. Now let's also discuss about advantages and disadvantages of internet. First talking about its advantages. जो advantages है इंटरनेट के that includes first जो है that is access to information. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि जो इंटरनेट है it provide people or we people instant access to the huge amounts of knowledge or information or on any subject जहाँ हम क्विकली सर्च करते हैं for answers by using Google जहाँ हम also सीखते हैं from community driven sites like Wikipedia और जहाँ हम also read कर सकते हैं books या जहाँ हम also read करते हैं research papers को through online libraries. Second जो है second is communication. जो internet है it also makes it easy to connect with anyone anywhere in the world within seconds through email, video call, messaging apps, which makes global communication much faster, cheaper and easier than ever before. Third is education. जो internet है it has also opened up new ways of learning for people of all ages, that is by providing online courses, e-learning platforms and virtual classrooms, which makes education more flexible, accessible and global. 4 is e-commerce. जो इंटरनेट है it also allow individuals to buy and sell their products or services online such as websites and applications like Flipkart, eBay. They allow customers to shop from home, which also makes shopping more easier, faster and global. Fifth is entertainment. जो इंटरनेट है it is also a big source of fun and relaxation. Like जो लोग हैं they can watch movies, they watch shows on various platforms like YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus. Similarly जो म्यूज़िक है ये हमें अवेलेबल देखने को मिलता है anytime, which we access anytime on applications like Spotify, Gaana and Apple Music. Similarly जो games और जो social media platforms हैं they also keep people entertained and connected. Six is banking and finance. जो इंटरनेट है it has also made money management faster and easier through online banking, mobile payments, online shopping payments, which had turned banking into 24/7 services, which also makes financial work possible from anywhere. Seven is work and collaboration. जो इंटरनेट है it has also changed how people can work together through remote work, cloud computing, real time collaboration, which also makes teamwork much faster, easier and possible across the world. 8 जो है it is social connectivity. जो इंटरनेट है it also help individuals to stay connected with friends and family no matter where they are, especially through social media platforms जहाँ individuals जो है they meet each other, they join online communities and they also make global friendships which makes the world feel like a small connected community. 9 जो है that is government and public services. जो इंटरनेट है it also makes it easier for people to access government facilities and information like citizens जो है they use government uh, portals for various services like applying for documents, paying bills, tax filing, and they also have an access to online access to the important civic information, which connects people with public services quickly, and that also reduces the paperwork. 10 जो है 10 is real time updates. जो इंटरनेट है it also allow individuals to get instant information about what is happening around the world, like जो news websites applications हैं they provide breaking news immediately, या जो weather updates हैं they help people to plan their day or prepare for storms etc. So this is how जो इंटरनेट है it keeps everyone informed instantly anytime anywhere. Now the disadvantages of internet. First जो है that is cyber crime and hacking. जो इंटरनेट है इट कैन ऑल्सो बी रिस्की बिकॉज जो क्रिमिनल्स हैं और जो साइबर क्रिमिनल्स हैं दे कैन स्टील योर पर्सनल और फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन थ्रू डेटा थेफ्ट, आइडेंटिटी फ्रॉड, phishing, security breaches. So जो इंटरनेट है it is very useful but you need to be very careful to protect your sensitive information. Second जो है that is addiction and time wastage. Spending too much time on the internet it can harm your daily life or health, like जो social media scrolling है for various hours और जो online gaming और streaming videos हैं for long periods, it can reduce your productivity at work or at school, and it can also affect your mental health, which causes stress, anxiety or sleep problems. Third जो है third is misinformation and fake news. जो इंटरनेट है it is full of false and misleading information as well, which also spread false misleading information very quickly, like fake news जो है और fake news stories जो हैं that are to be shared on social media that can mislead people, और जो misleading health और financial advices हैं that can also cause panic, confusion or wrong decisions among people. Fourth are privacy concerns. Using internet it can put your personal information at risk, like unknown websites जो हैं that may track your activities, hackers जो हैं that may steal your passwords, photos और financial data, और जो companies हैं they may collect your data without clear consent etc. Fifth जो है that is cyberbullying and harassment. बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं they use internet to bully or to harass other people online, like sending threatening messages, posting hurtful comments or rumors on social media, spreading hate or targeting someone unfairly, which ultimately causes emotional stress, anxiety, depression among victims, or they may also feel unsafe or socially isolated. Sixth जो है that is social isolation. Spending too much time online it can reduce real life interactions, like continuously on social media or gaming instead of meeting friends or family, preferring online chats over face-to-face conversations. So it may weaken personal relationship and it may also cause feeling of loneliness or disconnection. 7 are health issues. Spending too much time on computers, phones or tablets it can affect the physical health of the individuals, that like it can harm their eyes, body and overall health. 8 जो है it is scams and fraud. इंटरनेट जो है इसको ऑल्सो यूज़ किया जाता है टू ट्रिक people and to steal money through fake websites, online scams or investment frauds. So you have to be very careful also to avoid these scams and frauds. 9 जो है 9 is digital divide. Not everyone in the world can have the access to the internet equally. Like लोग जो हैं in rural areas, they may have slow or they may have no internet connection. और जो poor communities हैं, they cannot afford computers or smartphones, which ultimately leads to the unequal access to the education, job and information. 10 जो है that is dependence on technology. जो dependence on technology, it makes people less able to think or to solve problems on their own. Like हम हमेशा यूज़ करते हैं गूगल को टू फाइंड आंसर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग क्रिटिकली, या हम डिपेंड होते हैं, मतलब वी यूज़ वेरियस एप्लीकेशंस फॉर नेविगेशन, कैलकुलेशन और रिमाइंडर्स विच वीकनेस और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग स्किल्स. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कहीं पे डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखिए, या आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. And you can also follow me on the social media platforms, and for PDF you can join the Telegram group. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.